Oh yeah, that was sick. I watched that eat. Need a net?
Trying to get around that little point, see if there's a little windbreak, you know?
Yeah, probably will be. All right, Hunting with Hicks fam, we back, and we got the extended fam, the cheesy fam with us. I told you, are y'all ready for that crappie content? Well, here it is. Your boy's got the Redneck LiveScope going over here. We'll explain that later on, but in case y'all don't know, he's been in many videos, hasn't been introduced yet. The infamous cheese, Jonathan Kraft.
What's happening?
What we got going on today?
Oh man, we're out here on a lake we've never fished before in southern Illinois. Summertime, it's July, what, 2nd now?
Yeah.
So we're out here trying to catch some crappie. So I've heard they've been biting pretty well, so we're gonna give it a shot today. So we kind of idled out to a deeper part of the lake and just gonna drop this LiveScope and scan around and see if we can find some stumps or some brush piles, or anything that has some fish on it. So hopefully we'll be in for it.
But your boy Cheese over here is, he is a redneck engineer. All right, I'm gonna set everything up so that we don't miss any catches, but we'll get back at you when we're catching some fish.
And he's already sitting there like, just like hanging out, leaning on the tailgate.
Oh yeah,
Get him in there.
there we go.
Get him around here.
Lamb. God, these long poles are hard to control. There we go. What's it gotta be?
There is no. You can keep 15 under 10, 10 or 10 or bigger. So
Yeah, I think there's a bunch of little guys down there. That's what's fucking with everything.
you want to keep that one? That thing you gonna get more
No.
meat off that.
Nah, let's go for some bigger ones. We just switched the juice up a little bit. We just needed one.
You weren't recording, were you?
I was. My thing should be recording right here.
Wherever that fucking zip tie's pointing is where the transducer's pointing. So watch, I'm gonna put it right in front. You can see it on the LiveScope.
Right there?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So like, you can see both your top weight and your.
Mm-hmm. That's so sick.
So,
This recording.
Yeah. So what you want to do is like, we're only 7 feet deep. So fish.
Yeah.
Are right on the fish. You know, they don't go down to feed very often. Sometimes they will, but you have a better chance to keep it.
What's like all that down there?
I mean, those could be small fish. It could be bait fish. Now that right there, I can't tell if that's like a fish or if that's like a skunk or knob or something.
Damn, so you really be able to see like a crankbait if you.
Oh yeah,
out.
yeah, we're messing with it. See it real well. So what you can do is you can kind of let them line out as you swing them in.
It's a little longer, right?
Yeah.
Hold them up to the camera. slabs. Yeah, dude. Well, didn't have the GoPro going. Finally got our first fucking keeper of the day. Where do you want this? To keep it handy. I don't know if that on the GoPro. We got one keeper in the cooler. Third one of the day. Caught a little mini striped bass too.
Hey,
yeah.
He's definitely over 10. We just need to make sure we can count on how many we got. We can get to that point.
Yeah, he's 11 inches.
Okay.
Any brand, if you're watching this video right now and you see yourself, Southern Marsh, Millennium, Garmin, Southern Light, LED, all you boys, throw a sponsor to a broke ass boy. I don't even need money, just give me free stuff. Huh?
Great strategy.
You never know. Some guy will be like, you know, just because you asked. It's only 9:48, but it's lunchtime for the boys. Because we both got up early as shit. Yeah, I think my first alarm went off at 2:20 something. Jenny, if you ever watch my YouTube videos, thanks for the sandwiches. Get you a girl that makes you sandwiches before you go out. Oh yeah, that was sick. I watched that eat. Even that.
Yeah.
There we go. Hell yeah. Let's go.
Might be on something.
We got the juice now.
Oh, I just had to change the angle. Damn, they choked both these things.
Hell yeah. 8 are good. Change up color, right? On that one? No, that's the same one. Hell yeah. Yeah. Cool. If we stick around that range. Alright, I need to get on some now. You're a slab daddy. She's like, I can't eat any of these small ones, so I gotta kiss the bigs. Right as I stopped recording.
Yeah, let's go.
We on them now.
All right. You want to fish?
Yeah, let me get on it. Old cheese got all hot and spicy pepper jack cheese on the crappie bite. And now, think of all the pouty mood he was in this morning.
They're choking.
We were getting down on ourselves, and now we're just slab after slab after slab. Oh, Jesus.
Hit that power button on that trail motor.
Is it dead?
No, I hit this fucking thing. 11.
Let's go.
All right, we got 4 out of 20 over 10.
All right. And we're rolling till this bitch dies.
Hell yeah. Let's go. That's a big one. That might be the biggest one. Woo! Finally got a good one on camera. Here. Just like. Nice job. Yeah. Nice. Let's go. Fuck yeah. But you see, like, green's a little deeper.
Stumpy.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, Hunting with Hicks fam, that's a wrap on the day. We finished with 6 keepers on a brand new lake that we never fished with that old Redneck LiveScope. Honestly, we're both pretty happy. I think this is something that we'll probably be doing again here. We were fighting like whitecaps all day. You'll see that in the footage. But yeah, I think for not knowing what we were doing and just kind of messing around, I mean, we didn't even cover like 1/10 of this lake. And to put 6 keepers in the boat, I'm pretty happy. We're both tired as shit. We're running on like 2 hours of sleep. Cheese just literally looks like he might be asleep right now standing there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so I teased you about the LiveScope. We're gonna get into more of that with a separate video. So, you gotta watch another video of mine to find out how to make that. But that's the genius behind it. See how smart he looks? We'll find out all the ins and outs of it. But we're gonna get out of here and go to sleep. Who knows, maybe fall asleep while we drive home. See you, suckers.